We're back at it again with another video here. Hanging out in the baler, getting some baling done. Did a couple bales here. It's going pretty nice in this fabulously bumpy field. Made one bale under a load so far. It's working good. Had to do a couple adjustments in the baler, but the baler's going now. Oh, we just failed on a knotter. You get a nice knotter failure, you know, some people might say, you know, that's not my problem. Well, you know what, this knot is my problem, so let's see what we got here. What a mess. So it's pretty average mistie. Sure everything's still there. Good connection. Swipe arm with the bill hook. Average tuft. Everything seems to be here, so just an average mistie. Nothing crazy here, just missed. Gotta tie it up, find the other string there. There we go. Should be able to tie it up here nicely. We'll never know that there was a mistie. Except we will, because I documented it. Hopefully that stays, but for now that's it. We'll put it all back together and bingo bango. So we had our first knotter issue, 52 bales into the field, so and on the day, I guess. Now we're done with knotter issues. We should be good for the rest of the day. So it's a one-hit wonder for the 2270s. You just run one knotter issue, that's it. I don't have to get my hands dirty again. So as long as I don't bust these shear bolts, which I won't, because as far as I know, I don't got that got the ability to break shear bolts in this kind of swath environment. Swath isn't thick enough to bust shear bolts, so just won't do it. I'm not breaking shear bolts today. It's not what I do.